No, here is Paris.
Paris.
Voilà.
Voilà. Oh, on a bed.
The Louvre Museum is the second biggest museum in the world after the Hermitage Museum in Russia. So inside you can see 35,000 masterpieces exposed on about 16 kilometers of galleries. So it was turned into a royal palace, and finally in 1793, so during the French Revolution, it became the first national museum in France. 1900. On your left, this is the Orsay Museum. It was first a train station built for the World Fair of 1900. On peut deviner que c'était une gare au début, donc d'abord avec les deux grandes horloges. Sur la façade, vous voyez les noms de grandes villes de l'Ouest français. Les trois statues dessus représentent chacune l'une d'entre elles, à savoir Nantes, Toulouse et Bordeaux. Et pour finir, les lettres P et O sont pour Paris, Orléans, la compagnie commanditaire de cette gare en 1900. You can guess Orsay was first a train station, so first with the two big clocks. On the facade you see the names of big French cities. The three statues on the top represent each one of them, Nantes, Toulouse and Bordeaux. And finally the letters P and O are for Paris Orleans, the name of the company that asked for the construction of the station back in 1900s. Silver pot as souvenirs, shaped like the Bastille. In this way, he became extremely rich. Sur sa gauche, c'est l'Assemblée nationale qui se trouve dans le palais Bourbon. Bourbon, pour rappel, c'est le nom de la dernière dynastie française, très adéquat pour un parlement. On its left, this is the French Parliament. We call it the National Assembly, and it is in the Bourbon Palace. Bourbon is the name of the last French dynasty, very appropriate for a parliament. Inaugurated by Nicholas II, the son of Alexander III, because it celebrates the Franco-Russian friendship. Napoleon I. On your left, you can see the Invalides tomb, where Napoleon I is buried. The boats on its pillar on your left. De l'autre côté, vous verrez les victory trees on the lens. The woman is sat on a canal. Sur votre droite. The Zouave on your left, this is the Russian Orthodox Church. It was inaugurated 3 years ago. C'est un gros bébé de 324 mètres de haut, antenne comprise, et elle pèse environ 10 000 tonnes. It is 324 meters high with the antenna, and it weighs almost 10,000 tons. Sur son premier étage, vous voyez des noms écrits en lettrage French Scientists. Among them, Ampère, Lavoisier, en Laplace. Pour ne rien vous cacher, je me dois également de vous dire Holy Cotton Chicken. This flame is often seen as a memorial dedicated to Lady Diana. She died under it in a car en 13 autant que la Tour Eiffel, sur 8500 tonnes. Look at its glass roof. It weighs almost as much as the Eiffel Tower. 8,500 tons was the glass roof only. Alors pour être exact, ce n'est pas la barrière qui est très lourde, c'est la tour Eiffel qui est particulièrement légère par rapport à cette taille. Actually, it is not the glass roof that is really heavy, it is the Eiffel Tower that is especially light for its size. Being 71 years and finally the modern times. Et de ce côté du pont, le blason parisien, une nef. On this side of the bridge, the coat of arms of Paris, it's a ship. Face à vous, revoici le pont de la Concorde. Regardez vers sa gauche, il s'agit de la place de la Concorde. C'est la plus grande de Paris puisqu'elle fait 8 hectares. Pour vous donner une idée, c'est la taille d'une douzaine de terrains de foot. Facing you, it is the Concorde Bridge again. Since the Revolution, we've become a bit wiser and we put an obelisk instead of the guillotine, the Luxor. It was brought from Egypt by Napoleon I, and it is the oldest monument in Paris, 20 centuries old. On its four faces, it tells the life of Ramses II. De la part d'Yves Saint Laurent. It's called an extinction, and it was created by Napoleon I. It will be on your right between the two last trees. On est sur un total de 6 mètres carrés, donc même pour Paris, c'est relativement petit. 6 square meters. Even for Paris, that's small. Among the 37 bridges of Paris, this is now the oldest one. We simply call it the... Nous longeons désormais l'île de la Cité sur votre gauche. C'est là que vivaient les premiers Parisiens, c'était Island. This is where the first Parisians lived, that was 3 centuries before Christ. They were called the Parisis, hence the name of Paris today. And if you read Asterix and Obelix, which I strongly hope, this is where Lutetia was. Lutetia meant city surrounded by the waters. Sur votre gauche, toujours le quai des Orfèvres, où se trouvait la police. So the statues were beheaded and their heads were found 80 years later in a Parisian garden. Comme vous le savez, sur la cathédrale. On la surnommait d'ailleurs la forêt. Certains déchets qui la composaient avaient poussé au 9e siècle. The steeple of Notre Dame was not there since the beginning. It was added much later at the 19th century during the first renovations of the cathedral. And the framework of the roof was made with the equivalent of a full forest, 21 acres. Some of the trees had grown at the 9th century. Et l'île Saint-Louis en face. We will be between the two main islands of Paris. So if you look on your left, you'll see the City Hall of Paris.
They have a dog in there too.
Et voici le pont avec une fourchette, l'histoire avec un grand H. Facing you, this is the Tournelle Bridge. Since we've just made a U-turn, look on your left, you can... Ce sont tous les maris des maîtresses d'Henri IV. Il y en a 381 quand même. These are the husbands of the mistresses of Henry IV. 381 faces, quite a lot.
It's someone they do make a big
Shower here would be done.
Should we get 2?
Okay, I'll get you.
Je vais checker le plus. Bon, 2 Mogador.
Two pistachio.
Il en reste 4.
4.
Like
Mais
vanilla.
elle a que 6.
Oh, cassis.
Or caramel. Donc 2 caramels. Et you want lemon or vanilla? Vanilla?
I can try in
2
Korean.
vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay,
I can
then
try
we
in
do
Korean.
Spuścił wodę, zatrzymał wodę.
Là voilà la fondation Rothschild.
I left mine, I can't believe it. It's my father. And Dad sometimes. So you didn't get the way I walked down the steps, did you, Bill?
Anna, all the people in heaven,